Hey Deadpool, long time no see ya. What about your third movie?
Whose balls did I have to fondle to get my very own movie?
Anyways, hello guys, welcome back to Movie Buff. This is Tarun and today our topic is about Deadpool 3. So let's get started. Unlike the previous two movies, Deadpool 3 will be a Disney movie. Deadpool 2 collected 785 million US dollars and paved way for Deadpool 3. But last year, Disney bought Fox for a huge sum. This means that Deadpool is now through and through a Disney owned character. And while that creates its own special complications, it also means that his future is now in the hands of a company that was built what is indisputably the most successful comic book movie franchise of all time, that is Marvel Studios. Ryan Reynolds will continue playing the character. Thanks to the aforementioned Disney Fox merger, we can expect that the new few years will be filled with all kinds of exciting cast news as Marvel Studios finds new actors to embody iconic characters like Professor X and the Human Torch. But one hero who specifically won't be getting a new face in the coming years will be Deadpool. We can't say for certain what the future will hold for any of the previous co-stars, but Ryan Reynolds will be back in his red and black suit for Deadpool 3. Without Ryan, we can't imagine Deadpool, so he will never be replaced like others. Disney has said the movie will be R-rated. While referring to the special complications in the relation between Deadpool and Disney earlier, I was essentially referring to the fact that DP is a character who takes great pleasure in skish kebabbing his enemies with katana and relentlessly using foul language. That's a behavior that doesn't quite line up with the imagine that the Walt Disney Company works to a project. But eventually, the serious clash isn't going to have any kind of effect on violence loving mercenary future. Fans have been assured multiple times that even though Deadpool is now a piece of Disney IP, his future adventures will still be R rated, unless something else develops first, like possibly Blade starring Marshall Ali. Deadpool 3 will be the first R rated superhero made by Marvel Studios, and that's its own full barrel of monkeys. How could Deadpool 3 connect to Marvel Cinematic Universe is presently unclear. What truly makes the Marvel Cinematic Universe special as a franchise is its interconnectivity. The fact that you can not only enjoy each of the movies individually but that each of the stories simultaneously act as a puzzle piece within a bigger picture. But what happens if one of those puzzle pieces is only appropriate to be viewed by audience 18 or older? This is a conundrum involving the development of Deadpool 3 that hasn't officially been addressed as of yet. To throw out another false key saying Marvel Studios seems to want to have its cake and eat it too by letting Deadpool 3 have the freedom of the R rating and also exist in a canon that to date has been exclusively PG-13. Marvel might have to have the Merc with the mouth exist in a separate label on the big screen, like what Marvel Comics did with the Fox Mix imprint. But if that means that DP can't hang out with all of the other characters in Marvel Cinematic Universe, that's going to be particularly disappointing to fans. A script is at the very least in works. Based on everything that you have seen so far, you may be thinking to yourself right now that Deadpool 3 is forever away. But for whatever it's worth, the project is at the very least definitely in active development. In December 2019, Ryan Reynolds did an interview where he confirmed that the script for the next Deadpool adventure on the big screen is being worked on. All of a sudden, fans of the first Deadpool movie will remember that the script went through a lot of changes during a long stay in development hell, and it's definitely possible that what's being put on the page for Deadpool 3 today will have nothing to do with what we end up seeing in the finished film. That being said, it's assuring to know that gears are turning. In case it isn't obvious, Deadpool 3 is one of the projects we are most anticipating in the years ahead and have remained hungry for updates about the sequel ever since we left the theater after seeing Deadpool 2. Deadpool 3 release date according to few websites and my prediction, movie may release somewhere after 2022. That's for sure. Till then, stay tuned on MovieBuff for all the latest news about the film and hit the comment section to share what you want to see in the blockbuster. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.